For small creatures, such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. Extinction is the rule. Survival is the exception. The universe is not required to be in perfect harmony with human ambition. We're in very bad trouble if we don't understand the planet we're trying to save. The Earth is a very small stage in a vast cosmic arena. We are not without empathetic terror when we open Pascal's Pensée and read, "I am the great silent spaces between worlds." Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. It is far better to grasp the universe as it really is than to persist in delusion, however satisfying and reassuring. If you wish to make an apple pie from scratch, you must first invent the universe. The universe seems neither benign nor hostile, merely indifferent. No other planet in the solar system is a suitable home for human beings. It's this world or nothing. That's a very powerful perception. We've arranged a civilization in which most crucial elements profoundly depend on science and technology. Skeptical scrutiny is the means, in both science and religion, by which deep thoughts can be winnowed from deep nonsense. A celibate clergy is an especially good idea, because it tends to suppress any hereditary propensity toward fanaticism. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were. But without it, we go nowhere. The brain is like a muscle. When it is in use, we feel very good. Understanding is joyous. In our obscurity, in all this vastness, there is no hint that help will come from elsewhere to save us from ourselves. It is up to us. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. Most of the people that I deal with are human. So, I've had a lot of experience with that. I've written a number of books that have to do with the evolution of humans, human intelligence, human emotions.